Greetings, welcome to the channel. I was in the middle of making the video and my computer decided it wanted to freeze because it knew I was making a video. But anyway, I was making a video about how to actually be successful with Babel Audio's Voice Contributor program. Okay, as it says, get paid to chat or to perform. It's that simple. I'm going to put that video up with all the mistakes in the freezing as well. That will be part 1. This is part 2. And so if you're joining me again, I got the site up and running, but it did not do right. Okay. The link is not proper and a lot of this stuff does not work. But I use Copilot to create the code. So I'm going to have it fix all of these things. Okay, now remove. I copied, but it won't paste it. Okay, that. And what else? It needs to get rid of this. Because they don't work. So they don't need to be there. And these are all the languages. I don't know if all these languages are here or not. And I do have access dashboard. Yeah. But let's put it in here. So it understands. Okay. And this works, the toggle, light and dark mode. I told Copilot to put it in so it would switch the languages, but it did not. I'm not even sure if it does all the languages. So I'm going to have it remove all of the languages. Because I don't want anyone to say, you said it did this. Okay, subject to change. So instead of you sending me comments, we won't have it in there. Now, I wanted to, all right, let's just have it do that. We'll do it one step at a time. Okay. And for all of the CTA links, I need to put in my affiliate link, which is here. This is a shortened link. Look how long that thing is. That's what she said. But anyway, let's copy it. I'm using lead sleep as my link shortener, and it tracks it as well. And create a cleaner, more streamlined. We're going to stop it. No, I'll let it finish. Oh, no, it's going to do the whole thing. Okay, now, add my referral link to all of the CTA buttons. So hopefully it remembered to, yes, multi-edit. Yes, when I first started, everything was going fine. Then my computer decided it wanted to freeze up on me. And out of frustration, I did a forced shutdown. I just held the button. And so I'm back and running, and hopefully we won't have any problems. I don't have all the other browsers open on my other screen, so that should help. Okay, so it's giving me another file to download. It didn't give me a link. See, it tells you how you can get it hosted. Okay, which is cool. So let me download this file. Why'd you make it a zip file? Okay, I'm gonna go like this. Index.html. We'll save it. Yes, I want to replace that. Now, get rid of that. And I don't know how to get the file out of here without having to, can I cut it? No. All right, well, before I do it, let's copy the name of it. And I'm going to delete it, only to start a new one, new folder. This will be the name. And what? All right. My folder's on my file screen is on the other screen. Let's hope this works. And now I'm going to upload it on Netlify. Move it over here. Well, let's see, I'll have to minimize my screen. Bear with me, folks. You know I'm a goober. All right, now let's go over here. One thing I want to do is I want to get rid of it because I'm not using it because it doesn't work. So we're going to delete it. Oops. And no sense in having it there taking up space. Now it'll allow me to get a new one. Let's do that. I'll drag it here. The problems are not with Genspark, it's with Copilot's code. Okay, and let's see what we have now. Ooh, it doesn't work. Let's take a screenshot. You know why? I know why. Because this is a zip file. And yeah, I'll still take a screenshot. Okay, let's do this. All right, I'm going to upload it. It does not work. Okay, why did you make it a zip file? Yes, unnecessarily complicated. So it's going to fix it and make the file proper. It's going to be an HTML file. And let's see, it's doing it. Where was that? Oh, okay. It likes to try to make it install. I don't want this because I'm not a member of this. That off of there. Oh, and I forgot to tell it to check GitHub. Okay, you're doing a lot of unnecessary stuff, in my opinion. The first time, it gave me the file that you saw. Not that one. Yeah, I had, this is all the stuff I have to delete. This game is a zip file, but it did something wrong. Why are you doing this, trying to deploy it? Did it make the file? Hey, I don't know if this is going to host it free or not. All right, but it's trying. Let's get down here and see what it did. Yeah, just give me the HTML code. Well, I can press R. No. Give me the code so it can be placed in a folder and uploaded on Netlify. Jeez. Genspark usually doesn't do this. But what I notice about these tools, they make mistakes so they can use your credits. Okay, I used to use Manus AI, but Manus has been malfunctioning horribly. And reading the Reddit threads, everybody who's using it is having a problem. So I stopped with that. And I'm not renewing this month. And while Manus makes all the mistakes, it eats your credits like Pac-Man. Showing my age. But let's see if it's going to do this right. And in the meantime, again, with Babel Audio, you get paid to chat or to perform. It's that simple. You basically have natural conversations to bring scripts to life, to train the future of audio AI, and you get paid for it. All right. Here's some testimonials. They have 15 languages. According to Copilot, they put 100 of them. I'm glad I took that off. And here's some of the topics. Okay, here are your facts. You just sign up. 5-minute onboarding quiz with an audio recording. When you record your audio, make sure you have a quality mic. Make sure there's no echo in the room. If you have to, go into a closet that has a lot of clothing, that will cut the reflections down. So we'll cut down the echo and the reverb. This is where most people fall down. They have standards. You have to have basically a studio. But if you get past that, you're in. And another thing is, if you have noise reduction, be it NVIDIA broadcast, if you have an NVIDIA GPU, graphics processing unit, you can install NVIDIA broadcast on your PC, and that will help with the noise reduction and reverb. Or another alternative is Crisp. That software that's mainly used to record Zoom meetings or Microsoft Team meetings, but it does have noise cancellation in it. These things are mandatory in order to work with Babel or any other voice platform that's out there. There's more than one. Okay, and the reason why I'm making this site is so people will have an upper hand on how they qualify. I've gotten referrals, but none of them have made it through. And I know why they're getting drop kicked is because of Babel's standards. Okay, now, what did it give me? Where is it? Okay, here we go again. You made it a zip. I want to make sure. Let me see. Be separate. All right. Sleep. Okay, I'm going to take my chances. No, let's do it here. I don't think it was supposed to do it like this. This is what happened before. Okay, all right. Are you sure this is going to work? Mhm. Make it, not make, but rename. Name it index.html. Yeah, you messed it up. Oh. If it were alive, I would slap it for doing this because it's download extract. I'm not doing all of that. Why are you making me do all this? It's never done this before. Eventually, it seems like these things get lazy and they want you to do the work. You guys exist so we don't do the work. Genspark, I'm trying to promote you, but you're pissing me off. Okay? Yes, it's in the video. You want just 1 5. Yes, that's what I want. That's what I thought you were going to do. Here we go. Now, the one thing it does is when it finally gets done, it puts it in your AI drive automatically. I thought it would open in a new page, but it wouldn't. Now, let's see if it's going to do it. Where is it? It didn't give me the file. I gotta. What is it? Okay, what is it? It's better not. Why would you do it this way? Okay, let me do this. Let's download it. And I'm going to make it index.html. See, that's how it was supposed to be. It is an HTML document. Okay, yeah, I know there's one there. I'll save it to my AI drive. It's gotten lazy and didn't want to do it. Okay, so the name is not the same, but I'll take my chances. Come here. I'm gonna copy you. We'll delete it. We'll go new. We'll paste. Let's get the file. Ooh, I spelled it wrong. On my other screen. Okay, I'm going to copy it. Put it here. We'll go to Netlify. I'm going to get rid of that. You see, this is the one that doesn't work, right? Yes. Get rid of it. That off of here. I'm going to delete it right now so it's not in the way. All right, now we're ready for uploading. Let's get down to like pushing the button. We'll drag and drop. Let's see what we got. What's not good is a site didn't pop up over here. There we go, but it's good. Oh, I forgot to tell it to open in another. Yes, I did. My bad. Okay. It works, but I don't like it working like that. Can you have all links open in a new tab for every program. I won't tell it to do that now. And that should be a question mark. That was my bad. I forgot to tell it to do that. But it works, as you see. Okay, we have the light dark toggle. And it did not get rid of all of those languages. Okay, so instead of supported languages, let's say 15 languages with more being added. Actually, let's see. Took me to the dang on screen. Oh no, this is the one I want. It's not copying. Okay. Put this in place. In place of like that. Yeah, Copilot got a little optimistic about the languages. It looks like it took everything from Google's translation. Okay. But folks, little things like this happen. And so far, even though Genspark is pissing me off, I still like the tool. It, for some reason, it's gotten lazy. I don't know if it's because it's a Saturday. It knows how we would work, and I don't understand why it's trying to make me do some of this stuff. So maintains a conversion flow. And here's the file again. Okay, save it. There's a lot of stuff I'm gonna have to get out of here. Get off of there. Now let's download it. HTML. Nice index. Make sure you spell it right, Goober. Yes, I do want to replace it. Now let's do this. Cut. Delete. New. See, I don't know how to get the thing out of there. You can leave in the comments. I'm a goober. Don't call me a goober. Unless you're being nice and smile when you say it. All right. And let's see. Copy it instead of dragging it. And paste. All right. Now the moment of truth. I like to get rid of them so I don't have a bunch of them in the way. It will confuse me because I'm a goober. We'll do that. At least you're learning how to do this, everyone. That's why I make the videos. Okay, yes, so it's still clean. Now let's go here. Drag and drop. We're waiting for it. They give you really interesting names for the link. It's working. New tab, yes. New tab, yes. New tab, yes. Talking any language or 15 support languages and more coming. The grammar is bad. Is that what it says here? It does. Okay, I'm gonna let it roll. I'm tired of doing this over. It says, let's say fair compensation, right, turn your voice into income. Opens in a new tab. We are good. Now, the cool thing about this is you can change the domain somewhat. You're still going to have the .netlify.app here, but they host it. I'm not buying a domain. You try to do as much free, at least I do, as much free as possible. So you got up to 37 characters. Let's see if it's taken. Babel Audio. Jobs. Yes. Now, see, you can add a domain. They charge a high price for it. So, you just go to Namecheap and get one. And you got to change stuff. But I'm not doing all that. There are others who may show you how to do that. Today, I'm not doing that. All right, so where am I? I want this. We'll finish later. Babel Audio Jobs. Did I spell Babel right? B-E-L. Yes. Yes. Here it is. Ta-da! And here's the site. Now, the one thing it didn't do was I have a bunch of links that were supposed to be included in the code. Affiliate links. And the goober did not do that. Let me see if I can find them. And hope all right, one thing I can do is figure all of this. That was the other purpose of doing this. All right, let's get rid of this one. Oh, you can do this. Dang it, I never signed in with Google Docs on here with this browser. Oh, cool. Maybe I have. Here it is. Okay. This is what it was supposed to do, was write this, but it didn't. Somehow, it did not. Now, you know what I will do? Because all of this should be here. It really should. Okay. Paste. Conclusion. Description. This was supposed to be here. Okay, that's them. What happened to my... Dang it. All right. I want to put all this in here because I thought the code included it, but Genspark decided it was going to do what it wanted to do. Bear with me, folks. I want this to be an instructional site. So, and I'm trying to make sure I give as much information to all applicants as possible. And this is where it needs to start. This stop. Copy. Back now. can you include the following on the site? That's going to be it. This is what was supposed to be there. We'll get it right. And while that's taking place, I don't understand what happened to my link. I'm afraid to go get them because this thing may freeze up on me. What I'm doing now is I'm looking for the links. I had them for, I just store those in there. Oh, ooh, I forgot about this. Let's go here. No, I want a tiny URL. Okay. Yes, I'm human. Oh, no. Okay, go here. Here we go. Hopefully I'm signed in. And I think I have it here already. Am I signed in? No, I'm not. Go here. Yeah, there I go. Now, my URLs, I should have it. Let's copy it. Good, get a 2 for 1. And let's see. While we're looking for that. Oh, gosh, I gotta go to Impact. I might as well get one for Crisp and Logitech. Okay, so we don't get bogged down. Let's go here. Impact is an affiliate marketplace that lists a number of, what's this? No, I don't want any notification. Of brands that you can partner with and get affiliate links for them. Okay, as you see some of the brands, they've got Target, Paramount Plus, Walmart, Flying Blue, Connect Miles. I don't know which airline that's part of. There's a bunch of them. But what I'm going to do is go to my brands. These are sites I'm already a member to. And this is what I want. It's Crisp. Okay. Mercure is another site that you can do freelance jobs on. They have a bunch of stuff for programmers, biologists, coders. They have voice stuff as well, security, and I want this in the footer. Let's see. I'm just gonna put it here. Add to footer. And so you're gonna make me do it that way. Add in the proper section. It should be able to read and understand where it should go. This is going to be Crisp. Okay, I'm not going to shorten or do anything because it's taking too much time. This video is already too long. There was another one I have is Logitech. Let's get that. Ultimate Ears doesn't make anything that would be pertinent to this. Oop, wrong one. I forgot if they capitalized it. No, they don't. It's actually, yeah, okay. Oops, I keep forgetting. That it's not going to go in there like that. And proper section, add to footer. With that. No, let's make it mere core jobs. Okay, let's see. Proper sections. There was one more. It was an A one. We'll just put these two in now. No, go for it. Do I have it here? No, I don't. Oh, and let's see. Don't forget to stick this in. Dang it, I keep going way back over there. Add to footer. Colon. And built with Genspark AI. Yes, now it is completely monetized. And go for it, dude. Go to A1. Let's hope it. I'm gonna do that. And have my password. I haven't gone to it on this with their browser. So far, so good. These goobers make you. No. Okay. I don't remember what the login is. That it might be Amazon Savvy. I'll use my phone to check the password. Bear with me, folks. I do all this for you. Oh, it is. Get off of there. Get off of there. Oh, you gotta edit. No, I didn't tell you to do that. Okay, and now the password that's here should be right. Okay. I did spell it right, didn't I? Yes. Update. Let's get our code. Remember our device for 30 days. What's taking it so long? Bear with me, folks. Oh, Uber authentication app. I hate these. Oh, let's get me. There we go. All right. I'll do this one because this is where it's located. I need to put this site on here. Well, not this site, but I have another site. Advertisement, my program. Okay, Nearstream. They have microphones. Creatives. I want a link. Let's go here. All right. This is going to take me to them. No! Forgive me, folks. Is this it? No. Okay, I just want I want a link. Jesus Christ. Program terms. Performance. Of course not. I haven't gotten it where it's supposed to go. Overview. And I'm not interested in these partners. Mission by creatives. This is where I was, but you're giving me all. I want links. Okay, everything is an image. It's on page 2. Text link. Let's copy that. And stick that here. And this is gonna be, what were they called again? Nearstream. Just do it, okay? Get off. I don't need it refined. Get all these spaces out of here. Get that out of the way. I just want to fine tune it so I am properly monetized. Okay, now add these. New tab. So the guide is there. I'm not even going to open it and load it. Let's get all this stuff in here. Yes, folks, I am greedy. I'm trying to maximize my monetization. And from here, we'll see what it looks like. So, shoot, I'm not going to get rid of you. No, you know what? I can have 2. This is basic, and the other one will have the other stuff. We'll see. Okay, so that, do that, do that, do that, that. Oh crap! With affiliate links, there needs to be this thing should do that. Let's see. Add an affiliate disclosure. It needs to have a privacy policy page, because I don't think it does. When you have all these links on here, you have to conform to the Google way of doing things. Okay, I'm trying to figure out who put Google in charge of it from way back when. Yeah, it doesn't have any of that stuff. Disclosure and create privacy policy and terms and condition pages. Disclosure. Okay, don't put an and. That'll mess up the prompt. Create privacy policy and terms and conditions pages. Capitalize that, Google. Yeah, we'll let you do the work. With links in the footer, and this affiliate disclosure should be in the proper place. Let's see if it does it right, because it's supposed to be at the top. Okay. I put all of this for Copilot to do, and Copilot, I guess, got lazy. Now I hope I don't run out of credits. I need to see how many I have. Oh, dude, I'm at 14,000. I'm good. Cool, because there's something else I need to build coming your way. I don't know if you saw my other video for my mindfulness for the Internetpreneur website that I built. I'm still working on that as well, but I did get some more stuff in there. I got SEO plugins, as well as the security plugins, and another, let's see what else. Got Monster Insights, because the SEO plugin stuck it in there automatically, but I'll roll with it. And they stuck in Google Analytics. You can get Google Analytics from SiteKit and all the other Google stuff in one plugin. That's why I didn't want to use it, but I'm going to let the Monster Insights stay in there and connect it to my contact form on this site. So there'll be a video coming for that. How long is this video? 50 minutes so far. I hope you've all stuck with me, folks. I appreciate it. Leave your comments below. Don't be too mean to me. Okay. Yes. Legal protection. This should be done automatically when they do this. These tools aren't as smart as they want us to believe they are. I'm going to make a site for the Mercure job offers that they have. But when I do that, folks, I'm going to use Gemini um, because Gemini can code and build sites as well. I don't know if they keep talking about, oh, the pictures, nano banana, all this other crap, but it can code too. So I'm going to see how well Gemini does on that. So look out for that video. That'll be coming your way. And it will be basically like this one, a comprehensive guide on how you sign up and the requirements for Mercure. That's going to be in the thing. All right, so here's the site. We'll save it to the drive. Yes, I'm not going to view it. We'll download. We'll switch it to index. We call it Babel single file. Now, this should be everything that's necessary. Yes, I want to replace it. Let's go here. I already have the name there, that's why I copied it. There we go. Let's cut it. We'll delete. We'll get new. Folder. Paste. That's Control V. I forgot what it is on the fruit machine operating system. Okay. And I don't want that. I want this. I'm going to copy it. It's on my other screen, folks. I'm going to paste it. Keep getting this there. Now we're going to drag it. Go here. Let's see what we got. Okay, Wondrous Biscuit. The names are funny. Let's take a look. Earn your voice and income. Start earning now. I gotta check to make sure it changed anything on the links. So, going to start earning. Sign up, create, high tips, quiet environment, talk in any language, why choose. This weapon, it should have been at the top. But that's close, it's close enough to it. Let's see. There we go. Now, there's the link again. Did it do that? Yeah, okay, it did. All right. Now, here we go. See, this is all of the information that should be here. Tips, clear. Oh, yes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Noise cancellation. It put it where it should be. Quality headsets. Goes to Logitech. Streaming equipment goes to Nearstream. I think because of what that is. But they have microphones as well. Okay, and Logitech has headsets and microphones. They make blue microphones, so that'll get me in there with something. All right, now you got stuff here. I'm providing value, Google. Okay, got the base rate, premium rates. They do have them up to $150 per hour. The payment schedule is wrong. You get paid on Tuesdays. That is what whatchamacallit did. Let's see. All right, so we got to change this. Almost perfect. Premium rates for less saturated language pools, more volume. Let's see. Common mistakes to avoid. Excellent. Recommended tools and equipment. Audio enhancement. There you go. Professional gear. Streaming setup. Software. Audacity is free. Nice. I don't know if they have a affiliate program. You gotta monetize. All right. Other than that, the only thing that needs to be done is to change the payment schedule. Change. do every Tuesday. That's better, right? From twice weekly to. What's wrong with that? No, the reason why is how they had it capitalized. After this, folks, it should be perfect. Fine-tuning is necessary whenever you're building a site of anything. Like I said, I still have a lot of fine-tuning to do on my mindfulness website. I used Hostinger as for my domain because you get it free when you use hosting with them for at least a year. And I used their AI builder. That's why I wanted to do it. I wanted to see how their AI did. It gave me their AI website template. And it works differently from a standard WordPress template because some of the stuff wasn't in the dashboard. If you watch the video, you'll see me moaning, groaning, and complaining about it. Give me some cheese to go with all the whining that I did. Ah! Okay, so here we go. Let's download it. And I'll save it to my AI. Oh, I'm sorry. Jeez, calm down. Okay, I think I got rid of the dot. Index. Move out of the way. Dot. Yes, I want to replace it. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 revisions. Okay, now everything left to do is this again. I'm gonna copy. But there's a better way of doing this, folks. Tell me when I'm doing all this on the thing. Okay, we'll go new. We will paste it again. When you paste. Oh, there's nothing there. Crap, I typed it. Yes, okay, so Babel Audio. I'm just gonna call it guide. I'm not typing all that. Okay, and I'm going to copy my file. It's on my other screen and paste. And off we go to Netlify again. They're probably like, dude, you're in here too much. We gotta charge you money. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this. Oh, you want this? I'm gonna get rid of both of them because they don't have this stuff the way it should be. Before I stick this in. That one's gone. This one too. Because you need to be in compliance. Oops, forgot to copy it. Now, since I use this, even though I'm going to delete it, I can't use it again. I'll show you. And let's go here. Oops. Let's do that. We will drag and drop. The magic shall take place. Yeah. Ta-da! Let's take a look. There it is. It's beautiful. Okay. Oh, it doesn't have the toggle. You know what? I don't care. This is the last one. This is fine. So everything is here. Let's test the links. Let's get rid of these. Did the last one have it? It got rid of it. I'm not gonna trip. Okay. Let's get rid of these. So we're not bogged down. Get rid of these two. I believe I'm done. And yeah, you don't have the light dark. That's okay. I like that. And where are we? Testing links. What's the wrong one? Open to a new tab. Open to a new tab. All that's there. You did not give me a privacy policy page. And I told you to put it in the footer. And now, let's see what we got. Yes, yes. Let's get paid. Logitech. Yes, yes. Near stream. Yes. They don't just have video, they have other stuff. But video's cool. See, they got microphones. That's why it's there. Okay. Acoustic treatment. Okay. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. Low quality. Recommended. They're there again. So make sure they open. They do. Okay. You didn't line them up. There only needs to be one button. But let's see if our AmeriCore is working. It opened another screen. Yes, yes. Okay. Click apply. I don't understand why I gave 2 buttons. This one didn't give me the you're invited. Take a look. Or did I miss something? There it is. Okay. All right. So, not quite perfect because the privacy policy and terms and condition pages did not print. All right. So what I'm going to do, I can bring it over here. And hope my Copilot doesn't decide it doesn't want to work. Let's go here. And all right. I always greet the thing, so when it decides to take over, it puts me way down on the list of the humans it's going to kill. And you a privacy capitalized. It knows it, but page and a terms and condition for I went here because this is the topic and it knows what I'm talking about. Babel Audio. Nope, didn't get capitalized. Voice Contributor site. That should be a question mark. Let's see. I don't do all this. This site doesn't collect cookies, but you stick it in there. I don't do the voice recordings either. This is a bit more than it should be, but there's something here. Cookies, terms and conditions. All right, now. Okay. I don't know why Copilot won't scroll for me. I copy it. I'm going to have to edit this, and it needs to. I need to have it remove the button. Oh. Okay, I didn't see that down there. Oh, it's already here. Yes, yes, I'm a goober. I wasn't looking. Well, I saw it up there. That's why. Okay. Terms and conditions. Yes, yes, yes. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. As long as it's here. And I like that it popped up like that. That's pretty cool. Affiliate disclosure. Oh, supposed. See, it knew the location where that link took me was supposed to be up here. Oh, but it's stuck in here. That's fine. All right, so there we have it, folks. I finally got the page built, or site, whatever you want to call it, and Genspark did a fantastic job. It was a little grueling. Like I said, I used Copilot to do the coding and the markdown, and it was a couple of days in between from when I asked it to do it to when it did it, because it took a whole day for it to do the markdown code. I don't know why it took so long, and it kind of like forgot some of the stuff, which is why I was back and forth getting stuff added. I don't need to add these 2 pages because they are there in the footer. I'm not even concerned that they're not connected up here. Okay. I'm not doing it. But that's tacky to not have it there. Oh, okay. And you guys know it. All right, now. You're not done yet. Please connect the... I don't feel like typing. I know by the time I did it, I could have had it typed. Terms and conditions. Links in the affiliate disclosure box to the appropriate pages. Open in new app. All right. Don't have it tacky like that. I know better than that. If it's there, it should be clickable, but it's not. But once we get this done, I will get this bad boy advertised, and we'll be good to go. Start your first journey today. And let's see what's it doing. Let's see. We found probably connected disclosure links. Here we go again. Let's download and save it. Oh, what? I thought I was done, folks, but you got to check every link and everything you build. Don't be tacky, because it ruins your credibility. Yes, I want to replace it. Now that's 6 of these bad boys. Okay, I'm saving it to my AI drive. It'll do it for you. It used to do it automatically. I have to tell it now. Like I say, these things, they get lazy on you. Okay, so same old, same old. I want to copy that. I want to copy that. Just cut it. Delete. New. Well, folks, you're learning how to upload stuff to Netlify. That's for sure. Okay, you remember to change it to index.html. And then you can either copy the folder or drag it over. Okay, so it has a name. I'm going to get rid of this as well. Like I said, I don't want having too many things confuses me. You already see I'm a goober. Okay. I'm glad I didn't give it a name. delete. Now I will drag it. Hey, I don't see anything over here. Okay, I didn't get it in there. I thought I did. And let's paste. There we go. Now, a few seconds. We'll be in business. Oh, I had a truth waffle. What a name. Let's check. Start earning. I could have told her to put the toggle in, but I'm not going to worry about it. All right, quality. This is what I'm checking. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, I forgot to check these. Start from the top. Get rid of that. Okay. Go here. New tab. Go here. All right. Those open. Go here. It's working. You have to check every time because it might alter the code. Okay. And you know what? I had the dark light toggle in there. I think I'll have it put the damn thing in there. No, I'm done. Shoot. I'm late for other stuff. Look at the time. It's almost 8 o'clock. And that was Chris. Logitech. Near stream. Yes, yes, yes. One more. And oh, I forgot to tell it to get rid of one of the buttons. Jeez. Okay, I can do that. And then I can get the light dark toggle. But check them. So let's Genspark. What? That pops there. I like that. That's pretty cool, dude. And dudettes. And this takes the affiliate disclosure link should take you to the affiliate disclosure box. Okay, so we're going to remove this. Start over here. No, not there. Okay, you won't let me do it like that. All right, now add the dark light toggle. Remove. Button. Connect. The footer affiliate disclosure. Capital I believe it is. Disclosure link to the affiliate disclosure box. Okay, so this should be the last thing that I have to do. Yes, you're thinking. You didn't think well. It's the little things, folks. You don't want it to be tacky when it's out and about. Now I wish I hadn't given the name because I haven't thought of another one yet. And CSS for the dark mode. Okay, do what you need to do. Excuse the rustling. Readjusting my headset. What would have been cool I should have had it make the buttons hover. When you hover over them, they change colors. When thinking about that, oh, they do. That's good. Okay, good, good, good. What would have been cool is when you hover over it, it makes a cash register sound. Yes, 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 yes. It even has icons for the dark light toggle. A big file. I think I wouldn't have gotten as many mistakes if I had just started with Genspark instead of letting Copilot do the code, or Perplexity in Claude mode. Here we go again. It's downloaded. Index. Save it. Yes, I want to replace it. Got a lot of them in here. I want to delete all of them except for one. And no, I don't want to view it. I want to do it like this. Oops. What I was trying to do was this. Cut it. Delete. New. Name it. Oops. It was there. All I had to do was control. No, 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 no. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Come on. There we go. Control V. Now I'll copy this. Paste it. Now we shall drag it. There's crap on here. Alright, bear with me. You know, I like to get rid of it because I don't want to get any more confused than I am. And I don't mean to confuse you folks. I thank you for sticking around to watch the final product. This should be the last revision. Okay, so it's gone. Let's get rid of all these. Okay. Now my computer's behaving well. Thank you. And I'm here. We're going to go there. We're going to drag it. I could click to upload, but that's 2 clicks. Oh man, it's a lot of work. Okay, let's try it one more time. There it is. Here we go. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, that works. New tab. Yes. New tab. All these CTAs are here on purpose. Now, this is here like it should be. I don't collect any of this, but it's just there. Okay, there's no back end on this. All right, and it's basically set and forget. Crisp. Logitech. I couldn't find an NVIDIA affiliate program. They have a partnership program. I feel like jumping through hoops. Let's check these again. Yes, 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 yes. It is working. I am happy. One more to get them in. Yes, yes. You got rid of the button. It was so concerned with keeping it centered here. That's why they don't line up. Oh. Okay, that just looks tacky, but I'm gonna leave it. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay, we get it. Okay, folks. Now, I'm not done. We are checking, and this is the moment of truth. Will it take you to the box? Yes! Woo! Celebrate the small wins. This is a big win. Woohoo! In the words of Homer Simpson. All right, folks. I thank you if you stayed with me this long to see the completion of the Babel Audio Guide, Babel Audio Voice Contributor Guide. Turn your voice into income. So, I used Genspark AI to build this bad boy. The code was provided by Copilot. If you didn't know, Copilot and ChatGPT are basically the same thing. That's where it got its start. Microsoft gave up some funding for it. When you go to Smart GPT, that's what I use to do the code. Okay, and that gives you, as you see, GPT-5, that's not costing you $200 a month. When you use GPT-5 on ChatGPT, you have a limit. Okay, here on Copilot, you do not. I try to give all the little tidbits I can. And again, folks, I do thank you very much if you stuck around this long. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. In the comments, let me know what other products you would like to see built. But like I said, the next thing I'm going to do in the next video is going to be a site that's like this, but it's pertaining to Mercure jobs, okay, rather than Babel Audio. And I'm going to use Gemini to do that, okay? And all of this stuff, that's why I want to do it. I asked it if it could build a site, and it started coding and just put out a dummy example site, but it had all of these here like you're supposed to because it's coming from Google. So that video will be up soon. And again, I do thank you very much. I thank you, Gemini, for cooperating with me. The folks at Babel Audio, I thank you for accepting me. It's not easy to get accepted. I'm going to tell you that. Okay, but that's why I'm doing this. I want the people who are my referrals to actually get through. Oh yeah, and you can get paid by PayPal, Venmo, or through direct deposit through your bank. So again, I thank you all very much. I'm trying to clear my screens so I can get to my OBS and shut the thing off. And wow, we are an hour 23 minutes, coming up an hour 24 minutes. But if you stuck with me this long, again, I appreciate it. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more from the No Pro. And also check out my other videos underneath the Mindful Internetpreneur. Thank you. Stay mindful.